Hey, happy Monday! How are you guys doing? So, this is the Arlene Donaldson real estate agent here in Dallas, Texas. So, I tour you around with the property that I'm showing right now. It's a 3-bedroom. It's a 3-bedroom. And look, it's kind of nice. But, parang ang tanda lang ng bahay na. Tingnan mo, yung kusina niya, hindi siya open. See, tinan mo yung kanyang ano to, yung naka-tiles pa. So ngayon mostly sa granite na or hindi na tiles na ganito. So it needs updating a little bit, but this one is like 330 only. So it's a cute house, but you know, yung pagpasok mo lang siya, parang master na kaagad. Parang door, from door to door. So, I don't know about this one. I'm showing this one. This is my third showing or second showing already with my client. And then yan. It's a good price. But, I think I will not suggest this one. Kasi ang dami mo pang gagawin. And then, it's parang so tight pa, especially if my client, you are like, you know, out of state or something that really need to move in. So I think this is not much maganda. Hindi siya maganda. So I'm honest, right? I gotta tell you if it's maganda and not maganda. So ito yung room niya. Then another room, bathroom, and then this one. So, come on, let's keep searching for the property, and I will tour you around to the next one. Have a great one. Happy Monday! Hope you guys an amazing day, and it's a nice weather. Hindi siya mainit, hindi rin naman siya kalamigan. Yay! So, let's look for a good one. Happy Monday! If you're looking to buy or sell your house, don't hesitate to call me or message me. I'm not much busy away. I'm just one message or text lang, and I will help you and guide you in your, if you have even a questions for real estate, I can help you and guide you with your selling house or buying a house here in North Dallas, Texas. So, thank you so much. Have a great one.